Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to invert colors with Magnifier in Windows 11. If you want to do it, first you need to click rightmost button icon with a start and then you need to go to settings. Now from the left panel you need to select accessibility settings and here you need to go to Magnifier, Magnifier reading and zoom increment settings. We need to open it and now we have here some really useful settings. One of them you can find in appearance. We are talking about the invert colors. You can enable this option in two methods. First is press Ctrl Alt and I to invert colors, and the second one is based on enable this option by clicking on this one dot. After that, inverting colors will be enabled, and for example, if you will change the view from full screen to lens and enable magnifier, you will see that the colors are inverted now during the using of this magnifier. So how you see it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.